Welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it tonight. In case you are joining us for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, practice and perfect your trading skill first on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? If you have any question at all, kindly drop it in the comment section. I will be there to reply you right from there. So quickly, let's go straight into what we have right here. So guys, these are the assets we'll be checking out one after the other. Everything we'll be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. If you're not joining us live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the charts before you can follow up with it. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, and you can always grow your small trading capital into something reasonable. So many people have done this, you too can do the same. Okay, so now let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Just like you guys have known, I will be using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator to do my analysis right from here. Okay, so just the way we have seen it, this is boom 1000, and of course this is on uptrend. You can see going up and up till it got to this resistance or was unable to break out from their pullback, and of course went back there again to see if it will break out from there. If it's unable to break out from there, then it should go back fully on sell trend. Okay, so that is very, very important. But for now, it is still buying at the moment until it is unable to break out above the resistance zone. That is when it will go back into a sell trend. The next asset we'll be checking out is going to be boom 500. Let's do that right away. Okay guys, this is boom 500, and just the way we have seen it, this has been on uptrend for a very long time. Got to this region, pull back till it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below it, so it went back on uptrend again. It has got into this same resistance zone. It has not been able to break out below it, so it is selling at the moment. So this is going to be selling at first. It should get to this as our take profit, and if it breaks out below it, then definitely we should expect it to sell more right from there. So this is going to be more of a sell trend than a downtrend. Okay, so the next asset is going to be crash 1000. Okay, let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 1000, and just the way we have seen it, we can see that it crashed right from this resistance zone till it got to this support zone. It went back on buy trend and of course crashed down again. If it's unable to break out from this particular support zone, then definitely it will buy again, but for now it is crashing at the moment. If it should crash below this, then definitely we should be looking at somewhere here, and if it goes below this, then definitely this is what we should be looking out for. Okay, so this is selling at the moment. It is selling at the moment until it is unable to break out below that support zone which I have highlighted earlier on. Okay, the next asset is going to be crash 500. Let's check it out right away. Okay, crash 500, let's check it out right away. Okay guys, this is crash 500, and just the way we have seen it, this had been on uptrend for a very long time, and of course it has got into this resistance zone, was unable to break out from there, so it is selling at the moment. So it's going to be crashing down for a very long time, so this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, so the next asset, which is going to be the last one, is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right away. This is volatility 75. This has been on a very very strong uptrend. You can see it has been going up and up today. Okay, it has gotten to this resistance zone where it might want to sell a bit. Okay, so we should expect it to sell a bit, most especially once it breaks out above, below this support zone. Then definitely it might want to sell down till it gets to this region. Okay, so we should expect it to sell more tonight. Okay, so now let's see if it breaks out below this support zone. If it does not, it might want to buy more before it continues with a sell trend. Okay, so we expect this to sell more tonight. Okay, that is if it's unable to break out above the resistance zone. Okay, so that is very important. You need to stick to instruction. Okay, so all these are very important. So I will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, feel free to contact me. My contact details are in the description box below this video, and of course you can also drop your questions in the comment section. I will be there to reply you. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless you.